Hi there, welcome to our exciting video. Today, we're diving into presidential policies. Let's start with the importance of these policies. Presidential policies affect our daily lives immensely. Imagine how healthcare reforms shape our access. What about how immigration laws impact families? Let's break these ideas down, step by step, starting with economic policies that create jobs. These policies give businesses a growth path. Next, we'll discuss healthcare policies enacted. Access to affordable healthcare is essential. Now about immigration reform and its relevance. It connects people and influences community dynamics. Have you checked out 2tv.store yet? It offers the best IPTV services available. And don't forget to ask for Nancy. She is there to help with installation. Having live support makes it easy and fun. With simple steps, you'll be streaming immediately. Let's wrap up our look at presidential policies. They influence us more than we might think. Make sure to stay informed about these matters and always look for support whenever needed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.